What's cracking now? Welcome back. What's cracking now? Welcome back. I didn't show any work that I'm doing or anything like that. I'm not doing nothing major. Basically what I did was I just laid the engine harness in here. What I'm waiting for now to come back is the part that'll connect to this part right there to run inside the cab to freaking run the motherfucking what that motherfucker called to run the ECU. So basically the ECU, I'm gonna put the ECU back here. So I'll fab something up, get something fabbed up, and we're gonna mount the ECU down in here along with the wires. So I need the wires that run from back here, so I'm gonna have to take this back wall out. It's gonna run in, and I'm gonna run them underneath right here, run all the wires for the ECU and put them in there, mount it, and then that's gonna cover it like that. So y'all ain't even gonna be able to tell the ECU is back there, guys. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make this thing look right. Look, I'm not trying to build no full-blown race car. I'm trying to build like a street car that I could fucking race on the track and shit. So don't, y'all see this, don't think like I'm here trying to build a full-blown race car. It's gonna be a clean ass street car. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to put together like a fire ass street car. You feel me? But yeah, back to this, man. Like, this is just the K series harness. So all this will run all this right here. And this shit goes all this shit. You need all this. So all this right here, this is for like the alternator and all this shit. Back onto here. All that, the alternator stuff gonna go back there. Put all this stuff is gonna go through there. I might video that. I'm gonna do that this weekend. I'll record that and let y'all see how I do that. But I run that in there. I'm gonna take off these vents too. I'm gonna take these out, and I'm gonna get the side skirts that go all the way down and come back. So I'm not gonna run these ones. I'll get some better ones. But it's in the works. I'm gonna get some seats. I'm looking at some bride reps. I ain't balling like y'all motherfuckers go buy all that expensive ass, real ass bride and Recaros and shit. I'm gonna run some reps. But appreciate y'all watching. The wiring harness should be done in like 2 weeks. Like I said, I already dropped off the wiring, the parts that I needed to get wired up. So I already dropped that off. So we firing all motherfucking cylinders, cuz we rolling. Just little stuff and get it started up here in a few weeks. We're good. We're rolling though. Engine harness is in.